It's conflicting for me because it's so far it's been the best and worst relationship, so it's all bundled into one. But when she said that she doesn't love me anymore, the way that broke me, and literally I was in shock. And as I'm talking about this, I'm kind of reliving that moment. It's it's a sentence worse than death because you have to live through it. So I'll never forget that feeling. And I hope to never have to live through that again. So that would be my least favorite memory.